Now, there's a few different formats on here, because what we've done is there's no auto select camera format on the hardware on our board inside this head unit. So we've modified the firmware a bit. So if you go into reverse here, you can see, and I like touch and hold on here and click on like settings, 4 zeros. I can set this like sort of format here, 720p 25. And I've now gone to the front camera, 720p 25. Now, what you have to remember, if we kick the car out of reverse here, we've got to go into like F cam to actually set the front camera format. So we have to do it with this little setting icon up here. Oh, that's not even it. Not sure what camera this is, but that is where we set that format. So there you go. There you can see we've set it there. So if you are having issues, just make sure you set the front camera format in here, the front camera, and the rear camera when you're in reverse.